Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, Windows could not automatically detect this network's proxy settings error. Click Start button, Settings. Click Network and Internet. Click Proxy. Turn off, use a proxy server. Second method is, type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type net/sh space. WinSock space reset. Type net/sh space. int space. IP4 space reset. Type exit from command window. Restart your computer. Third method is, type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click H key local machine. Click System. Click Current Control Set. Click Services. Click Win HTTP Auto Proxy SVC. Change value to 2. Close and exit registry. Restart your computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.